Taller, faster, and leaner than their English counterparts, American Bulldogs are sturdy, muscular, and heavy-boned, yet remarkably light on their feet. These well-balanced and athletic dogs demonstrate great strength, tenacity, agility, and a friendly attitude. Although the breed may be usually calm and self-possessed, their attitude towards strangers may vary from friendly to standoffish, and even the friendly ones make vigilant guardians. Sleek and muscular, American Bulldogs are the white knight of the dog world. But with patient training and care, these guys can make loving family companions. If you're looking for a loving, energetic, best